Hi everyone, good evening. I hope you are all fine. As I said, when I get home, look at the time I go home, 10:45. But I have to do this for the love of the game, right? So tomorrow's IA, I'm sure most of the questions will be from probability, right? And if in case it is from normal distribution, just use the formula and then get the Z and then use the calculator to find the Z value. But in the case of anything, you can also do everything online here. So you can log on to startrek.com, Star Trek, this one. So uh, startrek.com. It will open a page for you where you see everything in here. So you choose probability distribution, you see everything in here. So you see where you get binomial, F distribution, multinomial, negative, normal distribution, Poisson, T. We have ANOVA also here. Linear regression is also here, where you can use it tomorrow. Remind just that you don't need to be most often calculating everything. Sometimes you can get it in a smart way since you have been given the this go ahead to do everything at home, right? So you just be at home and then do it. For the linear programming, for example, remember we've done a couple of times, we've done this couple of times in class, right? So I just have that sample there, and then what I'm doing is I will just be changing the figures. So when I was helping some people, when they send it, I just be changing the figures in it. Then I'll just click solver and then solve out this. So I can use like 15 minutes, 12 minutes to do it. This is all as a result of me being a bit smart, not because I know book. I don't know book, Ibab. So now let's say you've gotten a binomial question, right? You come here and then you choose binomial. It will open a binomial page, but sometimes it might mess up. So I would just suggest you type it straight. stratec.com/online/calculator/binomial. A dash calculator/binomial. Once you open here, it will bring you to a section where you can calculate all your binomial probabilities, right? So for example, let me just, I have downloaded some sample binomial questions here. So let's look at this. The random variable X has binomial distribution B. So the total outcome is what? 20 and the probability of success is 0.4. So that's all you need here. So A, they're asking you to compute the probability that X is equal to 6. So you come here, your binomial distribution calculator, you put the probability of success here, the number of trials here, then they're asking you for probability of S is equal to 6. So you just put the 6 here for S, right? So after that, you press this calculate. Let me start a bit here. So it is 0.4, it is 20, and here is 6. So you come and then click on calculate. It's too loading. So after clicking calculate, everything will be calculated for you. So where X is equal to 6 is 0.12441. Let's see if you have it in the possible answers. You have it here. So this is it, 0.12441. And then you can see if you want to get X is less than 6, this is it straight away. It is giving it to you straight away. If you want to check when X is what? Less than or equal to 6, this is the probability. Instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then adding all together, the probability and adding all together, you just have it here straight away. So you skip that hassle of doing everything 1, 1. If you want to get X is greater than 6, you have it here. Instead of being 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, up to 20, and adding all of them, you have it here automatically. Or instead of being from 0 up to 6, and then adding them, you have it automatically here, which is simple. If you want to get the probability of what? X is greater than or equal to 6. This is it here, straight away. Let's do the second question. So the second question is what? P is such that X is less than 9. X is less than 9. So probability is still 4, then 9. So x is less than 9 is this one. X is less than 9. 0.5956. 0.5956. That's it here straight away. So you see, you will not go and do any plenty things. If they want x is what? Equal to 9, this is it. X is greater than, less than or equal to 9, this is it. X is greater than 9, this is it. X is greater than or equal to 9, this is it. Right? So if like anything that they ask you, just put it in there and then you move on. Same for binomial. Let me just try and look for binomial sample question. Okay, let me see whether I'll have binomial in there. Hey, say binomial Poisson. So now, there is a Poisson question. Accidents occur on a certain stretch of motorway at the rate of 3 per month, right? 3 per month. So here we are calculating on the monthly basis. 3 per month. Find the probability that on a given month, there will be no accident. So we come here, probability here is what? 3. Then, what is there? No, they're asking us of 0. X is 0 here. And then the probability here is 3 per month. So you put 3 here. You just click on calculate, and this is what we have in here. Probability that 0 will happen is this. Less than 0 is this. Greater than or equal to 0 is this. Greater than 0 is this. And then greater than, S is greater than or equal to 0 is this. So here it's less than or equal to 0. So you can, let's see from here. No accident, 0.0498. 0.0498. So when you run it, it's the same thing. So you see, it is simple, straightforward. All you need to do is to find your mean. Remember, mean is lambda times t. Mean is lambda times t, where lambda is the rate per, and then the t is the time. Here it was 3 months, so we are using 3. Here let's put 1 accident. So they want to check for 1 accident, and then the mean, hey, 1, and then the mean is 2, 3. This is it. So they want to check for what were they checking for exactly 1 accident. There will be one, the probability that there will be one, not exactly 1. So there will be 1 accident will be okay. 1 accident is the same as exactly 1. 0.14936. 0.1494. Right? 936 when you run it is the same as 0.1494. So you see, it's so simple, easy and straightforward. Once you put it inside, not what you are thinking of. Once you put the figures in here, you are gone. So this is a quick one. And you have other ones too. You can do your normal distribution here, which I won't advise you to because you might get confused. Let me open it in a new one. So right here, all you need is your mean. If let's say mean is 10, you bring your mean here. The standard deviation is 7. You bring your standard deviation here 7. If x, which is the sample is uh, let's say 14, you bring it here. Now you click on calculate, and then it automatically calculates everything for you. So this is your what? Your z score, your probability score. It have taken in everything from the table for you automatically, straightforward. You get it? It's straightforward. Now, let's look at the T2. So you see, you find for this one, it's a bit complicated because they're asking for T-score. Let me move away from here. Let me see linear regression. So it's here, you have a whole lot of stuff. That's why I'm here to help you. In level 300 second semester, I'll make the life easier for you guys. See, I'm making the life easy and easy, peasy, cheesy, easy, easy for you guys. All right, so this is where I want to end today's tutorial session, right? So I think for the regression and those kind of stuffs, you need to relearn it for you guys because I just idea. Right. So binomial Poisson and then the normal distribution, you can do it simple with that calculator here. Straight, simple, right? Just do the same process like that. All right, thanks for your time and see you some other time. Bye.